La 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 la. Sorry for the copyright reasons, but hello. I'm here to show you this box. I don't even know why I had this camera thing on. Hello. Oh, just like, oh, come on. Now I have a pocket watch. It's hard to just, come on. It's gonna be hard to actually close this again. Because I, like, need two hands to do it. Here's the inside of the watch. Shut up, TV! Alright, here's the watch.
The worst thing is, if I can't figure a way to get us out of this, my sister gets my room. And that's where I draw the line.
Stupid TV's distracting. Sorry. Alright, yep, it has quartz movement seen by this little focus camera. Yep. From Colony of London. I don't have the instruction manual. I already fixed it today. It says not to snap it shut, but I had to right there. Luckily, I've only done it like a couple times before reading the manual. Then here's the chain. I might cut the footage and just like, I'm gonna cut the footage. I'll be right back with me going to put this watch on me. Alright, you know what? Look at that fabric. Yeah. And we get this lovely imagery of the distracting TV. Alright. Sock. I might want shorts today. You might be wondering. Oh well. I was wearing shorts whenever I record. I just don't like previewing the rest of my legs just because, well, it's stupid. I'd rather just show all the action. It also includes my feet. Yeah, right. Both my legs are right now. There's nothing in here. That's because I'm wearing it. The light. Okay, no, I'm gonna have to deal with the light. I have it attached to my collar. Here we go down. There we go. There it is. Pocket watch. Gold finish. The chain just extends up to my pocket and it's attached to this buttonhole that I never use. Because, well, it's stupid. The button's way too big for the socket anyway, so that's another good reason to use it. Stupid. Now the TV got distracted there for a second because the alien guy that drives the bus right there in the bus seats is an alien and he's using some sort of made-up Star Wars language. Not sponsored by the new Star Wars movies that just came out this year. Just saying.
Hi, Cowboy.
Out of the womb. I'm recording. Hello.
Hi. Hi, guys. I just put these in.
Let me see. Oh, those look beautiful. I'm showing them my pocket watch.
Where is it?
It's on here.
Oh. Okay. You're not a policeman.
Here's my badge. Get in the car. Also, I'm on a mattress. It's on a mattress.
Okay.
Wait, there's the mattress and then there's the box fan under there.
Yeah, the box can count as a mattress, though, I guess.
For us.
Yeah.
We don't even know if it's part of the mattress or not. Besides, whenever we go out to get a new bed, like when I got mine when I had to get a new mattress at Bob's, that box spring below there came with the mattress.
Yeah, so that counts as a mattress then.
Yeah. Stop annoying the heck out of my... This TV's interrupting my stuff. It's too distracting. Feel that fabric. Abby, feel the fabric. Also, if you can't see, you know what? I'm gonna try zooming in. All right. Right over there, all the way in the distance, that's the box that it came in. Don't bring it up here, Abby. Just don't touch it. Yep, see, there's the box. There's the box. Oh, there's sodas over there. Behind you. Get back here.
No.
I'm fine. Go do whatever you want to do. Wait, Abby, come here. Come here. Abby, come here. Just come here. No, I want you to be a big part of this video. Now try feeling that fabric.
Which?
Isn't it so soft?
Yes.
All I could think of was, what would drop rockets?
Hey, look at the. It's a popcorn barrel.
What are you, nuts?
This stupid TV is distracting. Not only that, I'm on a mattress. It's on a mattress. It's on a mattress.
Watching TV.
And since it's so small, like the mattress is smaller than the actual bed, and when I like shake around like I'm doing right now, it gets me all worried that I'm gonna like slip off or something. And plus, look how tall Abby's bed is. That's too tall. I don't even know how she even manages to get up here, but that's because she's so. Well, you know what? I can actually understand that because she's just about as tall as me, and I can get up here no problem.
No. Because I know how to climb.
Oh yeah, that's true. My bed's smaller, so you just jump on it. There you go. Except you can't jump on this bed unless you have a really high jump radius. I can't jump that high. The box. The box touched you.
Touch.
You dare touch my box? You dare touch my box? I'm gonna get up. Alright, I'm not dead. Also, I need to turn off this stupid light, because whenever I try to... my face! Oh!
Galaxy's most prestigious school. Wow, so that makes you the first Earth kid ever to be enrolled in the Celestial Academy? That's right. Hey, everybody, it's this year's charity kid.
Oh, that's stupid.
I believe Fang just told a joke.
I'm gonna just adjust the mattress back. So what you doing?
Nothing.
Hopefully this doesn't go against copyright. Oh yeah, here's the instruction manual. Here's the instruction manual. I shall not be showing the whole thing. One second. Put the camera down.
Oh, you again. Gotta be a welcoming moment.
Whenever I just go to bed at night, I might just put this like right here next where my bed is, right there. What's this? Oh yeah, Christmas gift. It's like a little black and Decker thing, Black and Decker thing I got. It was like last Christmas. This is gonna be like a little before Christmas Eve thing. Tomorrow on Christmas, shall be my like awesome recording. There are gonna be 2 Christmas recordings, but with the same phone, but they're gonna be at 2 separate times. I'm gonna record the actual opening of the gifts for my channel, so.
And then I'm gonna be doing the same thing for me.
But how am I supposed to do that without a recording software?
No, that's yours.
But
You keep this up and everyone will hate you by the end of that.
What? How about I record and we just put it to both our channels?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah. So that way you know it's a family video. I'm gonna open it. Let's see what time it is.
You ever make me have to run laps again? I'll vaporize you.
That's what she said.
What time's that?
I'll vaporize you.
Dang, that's what she meant. You can vaporize what's left of him after we're done.
Close properly. It's closed properly. That thing won't open anytime soon. Bed pose! Whatever. No, I cannot preview any trailers. That's going against copyright. No. Sorry, no. And here's the rest of the box. This is how you used to open it. Right there.
Harry Styles.
This is gonna be like a vlog. Benji, what you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna get you. If I know. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. What are you doing?
Playing Minecraft.
And here is a mirror. Sorry for the bright lights. Hey, wait. Hello. Ah! Brightening light. There's another mirror up there. Hello. Hello there. What? Why do you look at that? Okay. Sorry if I blinded any of you there. No. There you go. I need some cinema lights. I don't get that. You know what? I might just end here.
Hey, get with my soon-to-be girlfriend, Squeege.
Goodbye.
What?
I shall see you tomorrow. Now I gotta cut the recording, but how must? You know what? Let's end on this little credit scene.